Okay, Nonna Pina, you're gonna put now tomato sauce. It's about a cup of tomato sauce, 2 cloves of garlic that are chopped, 1 onion, and a whole bunch of tomato paste. Right, Nonna?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see, ma. Yeah? Yeah. Nice. Non ne assai, prendila tutta, ma.
Okay.
Grazie. Metti.
Onion.
Yeah. E l'aggia, Mettila tutta. Guarda che mano, ma. Falla che mano, ma. Alright. And now we're gonna stir it, right, Nonna Pina?
Yeah.
Okay. Beautiful. Okay, thanks, Ma. Smile. Pina. On the Pina. Oh, it's ready, isn't it? Oh, it looks...
Fagioli.
Fagioli. Look at that. Look at that texture. Thickness. See that? Look at that. A little bit more. A little bit more. Give yourself some more, man.
Huh?
More for you. More. So beautiful. And there's that piece of cheese. Ma fai vedere un piezzo di formaggio che c'è messo. See right there, that piece of cheese I put? Yeah, you don't eat that. That just gave it flavor. Yeah, that's beautiful. You can put it back in there, Ma. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is pasta fagioli. It's just a really, really traditional dish. Really, really thick. Nice white kidney beans with a little piece of spaghetti. You can use any pasta you want, but Nonna Pina likes to break up the spaghetti. Ma,
Yeah.
you gonna put cheese?
Yeah.
Let's see it. Cheese, cheese, cheese. Yep. And earlier today, Ma, what did we make here? What is this? Look at that.
Pizza.
That's focaccia pizza.
Focaccia.
Look at the airiness. Oh, Nonna Pina, you're so good at what you do. Okay, thank you. Nonna Pina, enjoy. How's it taste?
Good.
Yeah? Is it good? Too much salt?
No.
It's good, right?
Good. Everything good.
Okay, thank you, Nonna Pina. Woo!
Bye.
Yeah!